numbers. In this session we'll be looking into equations with complex roots. So let me make use of two examples. Example 1, we have an equation x squared plus 25 is equal to 0. So x squared will be equal to minus 25. For you to remove the power 2 and introduce the square root sign. So it becomes x is equal to square root of minus 25. So prior to the learning of complex numbers, you would say this cannot be found. But now we have introduced complex numbers where we now have the square root of minus 1 being given as I. So minus 25 can be written as root minus 1 times root 25. So the square root of minus I, of minus 1, that's I, and the square root of 25, that's plus or minus 5. So the roots of x squared plus 25 are 5i or minus 5i. Let's have a look at example 2, which is a bit complicated as compared to the first example. So the second example will be 2x squared minus 4x plus 3 is equal to 0. So let's make use of the quadratic formula to get the roots. So the roots will be given as x is equal to quadratic formula negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So let's substitute our a, that's 2, our b minus 4, our c, that's 3. So minus b, so that will be minus b, that gives you plus 4, plus or minus the square root of b squared will be 16 minus 4 times 2 times 3, which is 24, all over 2a, which is 2 times 2, we get 4. So that's plus or minus, that will be 4 plus root minus 8 over 4, or 4 minus root minus 8 all over 4. So the square root of minus 8, that can be split now. We don't have 4 plus the square root of 8. Remember the square root of 8, that's 4 times 2. So in set form, that will give you 2 root 2 I, the square root of minus 1 over 4, or 4 minus the square root of 8, again that's 4 times 2, square root of 4, that's 2 root 2 I all over 4. Let's reduce that. 4 into 4 you get 1 plus half root 2 I, or 4 into 4, that's 1 minus half root 2 I. So this will be your two roots for the equation 2x squared minus 4x plus 3. So this is one of the ways in which we make use of complex numbers in finding the roots of equations where we have complex roots.